all
Yeah,
over the board on
so
these
I'm
things.
it kind of because so what did you feel that post-COVID dip where you were like at a macro level, like where you're like, okay, shit, like what's happening? Like, have you had that crunch time there? Because I know you've been adding trucks since then, but what I'm looking for
Yeah.
is was there a low point post-COVID where you were when you had to readjust a little bit how you were doing things?
Yes and no. I mean, I definitely looked into things and like how can we mitigate our costs and just improve our margins. But as far as rate wise, conveniently, that's where I started coming across more direct shippers and direct customers. And then they had freight that I guess, I don't know how to explain, just a different business where, you pull into a place like LP or some of these steel mills, Nucor, where they have X amount of loads per day, and they're going to put it on all the big guys. And the only time I would see that otherwise is when you have the spillover on the load board. So, fast forward, get hooked up with these customers that you're the only one in there hauling a load out of there, then it just kind of helped bring me into, or help me coast through the lower times because I had these direct connections then. And I guess I just kept telling myself, I remember these load board rates being as high as they were, and I just kind of was like, well, deal with these direct customers now. Obviously, the back hauls are usually shit because you're just getting freight off the board, but that will come around eventually. I didn't really know when eventually was. I'm just understanding more of the nuances behind that. But so yeah, long story short, I was with one customer. We were doing like steel beams, and every morning we'd load up truck. I did have a driver help me at the time. So this was in like end of 22 or 23-ish, but unfortunately he ended up getting hurt.
So that was two trucks at that time, right?
Yeah,
You and somebody
yeah,
else.
yep. It was just in the winter, and he accidentally fell off the load, and that wasn't the greatest deal, but got through it. But anyhow, yeah, so that customer, they'd load up however many trucks right away in the morning, all these beams, and then it was kind of more local. Like we'd only go maybe 3-4 hours away at the max. Most of it was all Wisconsin, Minnesota, and it paid really good.
So
But
the
then when I
direct
was,
customers would help you pretty much
yeah,
survive all this
correct.
crazy market
Yeah.
thing. Which are you still have that customer?
No, I don't have them anymore. And it
Okay.
was, when kind of volumes kind of went down, um, they did have another company in there who had, I think he only has like eight or 10 trucks over the road. Mm. But they have multiple locations, and I was got really gunning for them. I think if I would have had just a couple more trucks going, I would have been able to throw my weight around, but it's just how it goes.
Yeah.
So yeah.